In this short video, I'm going to give you 5 tips for making educational videos. And we are starting right after this short break. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tahir, and if this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel every Tuesday and Friday. I have seen many teachers, they are working very hard to develop online courses, and some are putting videos on their YouTube channel. So first I would like to talk about online courses. So there are two different models of online courses. One is the marketplaces such as Udemy, Skillshare, and there are some other. And the second model is when you create an online course on a learning management system. So these tips are applicable for both kind of these models. Whether you are creating courses for marketplaces or a learning management system such as Google Classroom, Canvas, Blackboard, and there are many other learning management systems. And I have many videos about these you can watch on my channel. Now YouTube is slightly different, and these tips may not be applicable to YouTube because YouTube is a little complex platform. If you are making private videos on YouTube and then you want to share those videos in your courses, then these tips will still apply. But for public videos, because you want to promote and grow your channel, so there are some other factors you also want to consider, and which I am not going to talk in this video, because we are focused on educational videos made for courses, not for YouTube. So after this clarification, now let's talk about these tips. Now the tip number 1 is, before you start creating educational videos, you must get a good quality microphone. And some students ask me what microphone I use, and I use this Tascam DR05. So I'm not getting any commission from this company, but this is what I use. So you must get a good quality microphone. There are many other available, and don't spend more than $100, because the audio quality of your videos is more important than the video quality. Our ears are more sensitive than eyes. Now tip number 2 is that make short videos. In face-to-face teaching, students can tolerate teachers for 40 or 45 minutes, but not in online learning. When they are watching your videos, you are not present there. So their attention span is reduced now. So if you look at these marketplaces, there are many courses you can watch. All their videos are maximum 5 minutes length. There are some exceptions where the topic cannot be covered in 5 minutes for some of the subjects, but try to keep your course videos 5 to 7 minutes. Less than that is fine, but not more than that. Now tip number 3 is that try to put your face on the videos. If you think that your screen capture is going to get an engagement of your students, you are wrong, because students want to see you. So put your image at the corner of the video, even if you are screen capturing, or you can create talking head videos. So talking head videos require a little bit more work because you have to arrange some lighting and these kind of things, but you can easily put your image at the corner of the video. And I have seen that causes more student engagement if your face is on the video. And don't worry too much about what people will think about you, because they are too busy thinking about themselves. So this is not an issue. Try to put your face on your videos. Now tip number 4 is that you must put minimum text on the screen. Do not put too much text. They will overwhelm and they will lose their attention. Put minimum text and simple images. Do not put very complex charts. Nobody wants to see these charts. And complex charts are worthless anyways. So don't worry too much about putting some fancy charts and flow charts there. Put very simple images. Try to simplify the concept and then put an image there and then explain. Now tip number 5 and the last tip is that sometimes you overlook this little thing when you are teaching online. Tell your students to take notes. And this is the mistake which I did in many of my online videos and courses, but now I am determined to ask my students to take notes while they are watching my videos. And this is very important, because when they take notes, they are listening to you carefully. They are trying to manage the distractions and they are trying to listen to you what you are saying. So these were my 5 tips for you today, because I was getting a lot of questions and lot of comments in my YouTube videos and in my course videos. So therefore I decided to give you these 5 little tips. Make short videos and take care of these tips, and hopefully you will get some good reviews, because reviews are very important. Until you get good reviews, you are not going to be successful in online teaching. This is the thing. You are not competing with your colleagues in your school. In online teaching, you are competing with the whole world. And if your course is not good, if your course is not engaging, then sooner or later you are going to be out of the business. So take it seriously. So I hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.